Hello guys. So in this video we will talk about payback period. So whenever any individual looks for any investment, then he must do capital busting. So capital busting includes many tools that tells us whether any investment or any project is viable or not, whether we should invest money in that or not, whether it is a viable option or not. So these tools include NPV, PI, IRR, and payback periods. In this video, we will talk about payback period. So payback period is the time in which we will get our invested money back. So anyone who is investing any amount, then he must be really curious to know, like after how much time he will get his money back. So payback period tells us same thing. So without wasting any time, let us directly jumps to our Excel sheet. So, so suppose if an individual who want to invest some amount in any project. So suppose he is investing in car. Suppose he has invested 6 lakh rupees in car, so that will be his outflow. So after investing 6 lakh rupees, he must be expecting some returns from this investment. So if he bought a car, then he must be using this car on rent to generate future revenues. So if he has estimated his future revenues for 6 years in this manner, like 120, 138, 158, 182, 209, and 241,000. And as we all know, whenever year passes, inflation also increases too. But it's the same thing, we use discount rate. So we have here assumed discount rate of 5%. So 5% for these 6 continuous years, rate will be like this. So for getting the present value of this cash flow, we have to multiply discount rate with this value. So as you can see here, these are the PV of cash inflows. So now we have to calculate cumulative value of this cash flow. For cumulative value, we have to add first year with another next year to get the total till 6 years. So as you can see here, you may be like, see, so for first year it will be the same amount, and for second year we will add second year and first year amount, and we will do the same for whole 6 year. In the end, you can see we will be generating total 8,71,400 in respective 6 years. So now we have generated we have invested 6 lakh rupees, and now we are getting 8 lakh rupees after 6 years. So what will be payback period? Because we want to know when we will receive exact 6 lakh rupees. So if we will see, like in the completion of 4 years, it is 526 we are getting, but we have to reach to 6 lakhs. So after seeing this thing, it is very clear, like it will be between 4 years to 5 years. So we have to reach exact month. So we have to do a little simple math. So it is very clear, like this will be 4 years and few months to. So 4 years is ascertained. For the month calculation, let's see here, uh, like there will be some month and some amount. So in 12 months we are generating 1,64,447, but we want to reach 6 lakh rupees. So how much we are lacking? So we have to just get a difference between 6 lakh rupees and whatever we have generated till 4 years. So the difference is 73,305. And to get the months, we have to just do cross multiply, like we are earning in 12 months 1,64,000. So in how many months we will earn 73,000? So after cross multiplying, we get the value 5. So finally in 4 years, 5 months, we will get our money back, or the individual who has invested 6 lakh rupees with this respective discount rate and cash flow, he will get his money back. So this was my short video on capital busting. Thank you guys.